Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the latest way to record a channel video chat as a video on the Telegram app for PC with the newest update. If you want to save your live broadcasts or video chats from your favorite Telegram channels, this step-by-step method will make the process super easy. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Navigate to the channel where the live video chat or stream is happening, or that you want to start live streaming on. Once there, look for the call icon. You'll find it in the middle of the top bar. Click it to begin initiating the live stream. A menu appears. Select Start Live Stream to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to choose your account. Pick the account you'd like to use for the live stream and then click Continue. Now, look for the three dots usually in the upper right corner during the live stream setup and click on them. From the drop-down, select Start Recording. This is the essential step to capture the video chat. You'll be provided with options to also record video. Make sure to check the box that says Also Record Video. After that, choose the video orientation that fits your preference. This could be portrait or landscape depending on your setup. After setting these options, click Continue. Now it's time to add a title for your live stream or recording to help you organize or share it later. Finally, hit Start to begin the live stream and record everything happening in the channel video chat. The video will be saved as per Telegram's latest update, allowing you to review or share it afterward. That's it. Using these straightforward steps, you can easily record channel video chats on Telegram's PC app and keep your favorite content for offline viewing or sharing. Enjoy streaming and recording your chats effortlessly.